Something is bleeding in the middle of deep space. A giant galaxy is literally falling apart, and we just caught it on camera. It is leaving behind a glowing, ghostly trail that stretches for thousands of light years. This isn't just a pretty picture. It is a cosmic crime scene. Right now, as you watch this, a massive collection of stars is being stripped naked. It is losing the very stuff it needs to make new stars. If this keeps up, the galaxy will go dark forever. We have never seen anything quite this intense before. It's a race against time in the vacuum of the void, and the stakes are nothing less than the life of an entire galaxy. So what is actually happening here? Scientists call this ram pressure stripping. Think of it like a cosmic wind. Imagine you are riding a bike as fast as you can while holding a big bucket of loose feathers. As you pick up speed, the wind hits you. It starts ripping those feathers right out of the bucket. Before you know it, there is a long trail of feathers floating behind you on the road. In space, the feathers are huge clouds of gas and dust. The bike is a galaxy moving through a cluster of other galaxies at millions of miles per hour. The space between galaxies isn't empty. It's filled with hot, invisible gas. When the galaxy slams into that gas, its own internal fuel gets pushed out the back. This creates a spectacular, glowing tail that looks like a jellyfish swimming through a dark ocean. This specific story centers on a galaxy named D100. It lives in a crowded place called the Coma Cluster. For a long time, D100 was a healthy, star-making machine. But then it took a wrong turn. It started falling toward the center of the cluster, picked up terrifying speed, and hit the galactic wind. Astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope were shocked when they zoomed in. They saw a thin, red streak of gas bleeding out of D100's core. It looked like a wound. This tail is so long it would take 200,000 years for light to travel from one end to the other. The weirdest part? The tail is perfectly straight. Usually, these tails wag or twist, but D100 is losing its gas so fast and with such force that the trail is like a laser beam. While D100 loses its lifeblood, the gas it sheds is forming tiny, lonely stars out in the middle of nowhere. It is a beautiful disaster. The mother galaxy is dying so that a few stray stars can live in the dark. Why does this matter to us? Because it shows us that space is a rough neighborhood. Nothing stays the same forever. Even something as massive as a galaxy can be bullied and broken by the invisible forces around it. D100 is a warning. It shows us what happens when a galaxy loses its spark. Without that gas, star birth stops. The galaxy becomes a zombie, full of old, red stars but no new ones. It's a reminder that our own Milky Way is lucky to have its fuel. We live in a quiet part of the woods, far away from these high-speed collisions. Studying D100 helps us understand how the universe recycles itself and why some parts of space stay bright while others fade away. This discovery is a front-row seat to the end of a world. It's a fast-paced, high-stakes drama happening billions of miles away, and we are the first ones to see the tail end of the story.